Hey everybody, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Now let's get on with the video. If you're curious about how much power a string of 50 LED lights uses, in this video, I show you the amp draw of a 5-volt LED setup. You can see as I'm going through all the colors here, the other cable I'm connecting is the power injection on the other side of the strand. So I went through each color to see if one would draw more amperage than the other. As I propagate to the color white, this powers all 3 LED nodes in each light. Power injection is important, and power balancing is important as well.